kanilang katanungan tungkol sa kanilang sarili at sa isa't isa. Okay, but talking about this car, why don't we take a trip down memory lane and see how this big project came into fruition first. So I invite all of the people right here to look at the screen and watch this.
Hindi mo ba nakikita? Manny, dito tayo!
Tama na, Inge. Ito yung sinasabi ko, Chao.
Matt, pwede to sa cafe natin.
Sakay na, Aling.
Not so fast, Bingo!
Nagsimula si Saya.
Congrats, Dave!
Thank you, Max. Sino ba nanalo, Tara?
Hindi mo ba nakikita? Yung blue o yung pogi?
Sino ba ito?
Siyempre, ano na natin? Hoy, may rani niyo. Manny! Ay! Ibigay mo sa akin ang pera na inakala mo kaya nakapagtangal kayo! Nakapagtangal kayo!
Tama na, Inge.
Lumalim ang pagsasama.
Ito yung sinasabi ko, Chao. Bring it around the beach.
Ika nga dito. Ayan. Ikaw kasi kung saan ka nagsusuot.
Okay na. Promise.
Perfect na.
Tara.
Tara. Matt, may accent mo tayo dyan.
Boss, sa'yo na lang. Uy! Salamat po, eh. Namuling, oh.
You know, Bingo, you need a bigger vehicle. Yung car, dapat kasya lahat.
Grabe ka naman sa akin. Upgraded na nga to, oh.
Really?
Di bali isang araw, magkakaroon ako ng magandang kotse.
Dapat yung expensive.
Welcome to Binondo Poriglig Experience! Tayo?
Yeah.
So, kasama ako sa video. Hanggang saan pa kaya?
Asan na tayo?
Dito pa rin. Hello everyone, good morning. Galing po kami taping kanina. So, nagtulog ka ba?
Ano naman ito?
Meron po, pupunta tayo ng Boracay pero galing kami shoot. Pero may suot ko. Wala po ako sinela.
Outfit check mo kami. Outfit check.
Hey everyone, we are now at the lounge. Kakain lang kami. And we'll see you in Boracay. We are very, very, very excited. Mabuhay. Good morning and welcome to the food.
Magkano po?
Upward 50 sa polo, tapos 250 sa sando.
Wala pang discount yan.
Nakarami na kayo kung kapaalam lang ko doon. Ba't yung ba?
of what happened in Boracay. Again, that was their announcement of the movie Tayo sa Wakas. Hindi po sila nangangampanya. It just seemed so kasi ang daming tao talaga dumagsa. But hey, that's just the power of the A-listers that we have for this movie. But again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Media Launch ng Tayo sa Wakas. We got our incredible cast and creators right here. Palakpakan muna po natin sila before we start. Thank you so much for joining us and also to our friends from the media. I'm sure you guys are so riled up to ask a lot of questions and to know more about this film. But before we do that, why don't we ask our cast first and our creators, of course, to say hello to our press and also to the fans watching us online. And we shall start you with Miss Van. Hi, Miss Van. Kailangan niyo may pinakamagandang buhok daw muna. Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Hi, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito sa aming MediaCon today. And doon po sa mga nanonood, hello po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you, Miss Van. How about the very lovely Mia?
Hello po, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Maraming pong salamat sa pagdalo dito at sa mga nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Ako po si Mia Canton, part ng cast ng Tayo sa Wakas.
Hi, Mia Canton. We love having you here. Emilio.
Hello po sa aming mga kaibigan dito sa media. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito sa MediaCon ng Tayo sa Wakas. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. How about you, River?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Ako po si River Joseph and unang-una maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo today and hopefully you will enjoy today. Ayun lang po.
And we shall enjoy today. Ako, hindi po ako magkasawa na sabihin na isa pong karangalan talaga na makasama ang nag-iisang Joros Gamboa. Dito, Joros, you wanna say hi to everyone?
Salamat, Robin. Gusto ko lang sabihin na isa ka sa pinakamagaling na host dito sa Pilipinas. Pakiramdam ko nga, ikaw na yung papalit kay Kuya Jerm.
Diyos ko po.
Sa ganung level. At sa lahat ng kasama natin dito, sa ating mga nagagandahan at nagagwapuhang mga taga-press at sa media, ako po ay tatakbo. Hindi, joke lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ito ulit yung chance para maibalik natin ulit ang mga Pilipino sa sinihan.
Big big revelation for you, and big commitment as well. Diba? How about you, Sir Epi?
Good afternoon, guys. Good to see familiar and new faces this afternoon. Mag-enjoy tayo.
Thank you, Sir Epi. Direk, we missed you.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Thank you sa ating mga kakampi sa media, sa lahat na nanonood online. Yes, today is gonna be a fun day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay,
Pwede mo yung tissue?
bakit po?
Pagkatabi ko talaga to, tino mo na nga. Tapat ng tawa.
Mahingi po tayong tissue, okay?
Tissue.
Especially later on, we'll have that big emotional moment. Ako, abangan niyo po yan, mga kapamilya. Now, before we go to Donnie and Belle, I just wanna ask, I know it's summer right now, mainit talaga yung panahon. Is that part of your character or talagang gusto mo na magpagupit?
Umamin ka!
Well, we're still shooting now.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay.
Alam niyo na yun.
Okay. Okay.
Bagay naman, di ba,
At
Ro?
so, lahat ng hairstyle bagay sa kanya.
mas guwapo ang hairstyle mo, opa na opa.
Nagpalit lang tayo. Ito yung sa trailer nakita ko eh. Gagayahin ko yung buhok ni Donnie doon sa poster. Okay? But you wanna say hi to everyone first, Donnie and Belle?
Yes, hello po to our friends na media. Thank you guys so much for taking the time. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa MediaCon. And of course, to our brands who've been supporting us. And sa mga supporters natin, everyone watching online. Thank you so much.
Hello to our press and media. How are you guys? Okay naman po. Sana po enjoy natin tong evening na to. Ayan.
Direct?
Hindi, aminin na natin totoo. Donnie did this for the film. I asked him to, and noong una, syempre nandun yung fear. This is the first time he's ever done this in his entire life, and I admired him for doing this for the film.
And if I'm not mistaken, they have these two people that we have, Donnie and Belle. they have done a lot of things for this project na hindi pa nila ginagawa before. Like what Direk mentioned, talagang buong puso at kaluluwa ang binigay nila. In fact, if it's okay to mention, I think it's okay. You guys are producers as well for the movie that we have.
Oh, nasa poster pangalan nila eh.
Oo, yan, ayan. At least, klaro lang lahat. Ibang klaseng dedication itong binigay nila Donnie Pangilinan Del Mariano for this project. And now, we move on to one of the biggest surprises that we have for all of our kapamilyas, including our cast right now. For weeks, audiences have been sharing theories, various reactions, and a lot of feels after seeing our announcement teaser and posters. But today, we finally get a deeper glimpse into the story of Cisco and Cheska. And mind you, mga kapamilya, when we showcase this big surprise, this gift that we're about to give you right now, this will make it a little bit more real, and I'm sure a little bit more emotional. So, si Direk naghahanda ng tissue na, and I suggest you would do the same because we are so ready. My question is, kapamilya, are you ready? Are you ready? Finally, we are releasing the trailer of Tayo sa Wakas. Watch